guys, how are you? Welcome to the prep rally. 2019 was so busy and so hectic in the best way possible. We've had so many meal plans, so many new amazing members. I've had such incredible support along the way, and I'm so grateful to each and every one of you for contributing. I've had so many fun moments with my girls in the kitchen, playing around, and then of course, my own fun times in the kitchen. I showed you guys my finger that I jammed, which is why I'm like holding it up like this. I jammed it with a hammer. I mean, it sounds so stupid. I jam it. I whacked it with the hammer. Repurpose things. That's the main purpose of this. It's not just, you know that line, like if you give a man a fish, he'll eat for a day, but if you give him a fishing rod, he'll eat for his whole life. So it's kind of like that. It's like, I want you to see where the creativity comes from, to see how we're repurposing things. And then next time, maybe you have roasted vegetables left over, maybe you have some leftover grilled chicken, you'll know, ooh, I remember we put it into an egg roll. I love cheese. Was what I made yesterday with pesto and the spaghetti squash. Whoa! How fun is it? It takes 5 seconds to make. I'm not a baker.
You're not a baker, you're a chef.
I'm a chef, right? I like to cook. What do we give that recipe? What do we give it? Toes, thumbs up too? Toes? Oh. I want both of you girls to show me your spookiest faces. Oh! Now show me your scared face. Look, remember you kept asking about mommy's fat belly?
Now there's a baby in there?
Now there's a baby inside of here.
You can't see it.
It's in there.
But it's in there.
There's a baby.
That's a baby?
There's a teeny tiny baby, and it's gonna get bigger and bigger. And I'll show you a video that at the doctor's office, they take a video inside your belly and they show you what it looks like. Do you wanna see
No
it?
screaming, no screaming.
Auntie, she's looking for the baby.
We're gonna always talk to the baby. We're always gonna give it love. Enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And lots more videos coming your way, you guys, right? Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you next time.